Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So right now a lot of Samsung devices are getting new updates at the same time and things are moving really fast. So in this video we are going to talk about some latest One UI 8 and One UI 8.5 updates for Samsung device, like which device has got which update. So without further delay, let's get started. So first let's start with the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 series has just received a new update, and this update comes with the March security patch along with improved system stability. And along with that, a new One UI 8.5 beta build has also been spotted on test server. The build number is now moving from ZZCD to ZZCF, which clearly shows that the Samsung is actively testing the next beta update, and most likely the beta 8 could be released very soon for the Galaxy S25 series. So yeah, beta 8 also coming for S25 series. That's almost confirmed after this new build number leak. So that's all for S25 series. Now let's talk about S24 series. The S24 series has also received the latest March security patch update, and this update confirmed that the Samsung is still updating the device while preparing it for the One UI 8.5 beta program. In fact, a brand new One UI 8.5 beta build have been already been spotted for multiple devices, including the Galaxy S24, S24 FE, and even S25 FE, including all the S24 series. Okay, so this new leaks clearly indicates that the Samsung S24 series, including S24 FE and S25 FE, will join One UI 8.5 beta program. And as I said this before also, this will be the first time that FE models will join beta programs. So it's kind of a good news also, right? Now that's all for S24 series. Now let's talk about S26 series. The Galaxy S26 series has already started receiving the second One UI 8.5 update, and with this latest update, overall system stability and security has been improved as always. So because this is a security patch update, but the biggest highlight of this new update for S26 series is a new feature that many users were waiting for. Now finally, Galaxy devices are getting support for cross-platform file sharing, meaning you can now share files between Galaxy and iPhone much easier using Quick Share. So this feature is rolling out through One UI 8.5 update. So other Samsung device will also get this feature whenever they receive One UI 8.5 official update. Okay, so overall what we're seeing right now is Samsung is actively pushing updates to current device while also preparing for multiple phones for the One UI 8.5 beta update, like S24 series, I guess. So the things are moving very fast, and the One UI 8.5 official update rollout date is getting closer day by day. Okay, I have covered all the news, which device has got which update and which new features has been rolled out recently. And I have this S23 FE, and S23 FE haven't received the March update yet. So whenever Samsung will roll out March update for S23 FE, S23 series, I will obviously make a video. As you all know, I always do a review video of S23 series monthly update. So whenever S23 series will receive March update or One UI 8.5 update, I will definitely make a video and inform you guys. So in this video, I covered like all the device which has received new update recently. So if you have S24 series, please go to settings and check for the updates. You might receive that March security page update, and S26 series and even S25 series. All right. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video once again. So whenever there is a new update, obviously I will make a video and inform you guys. So please subscribe to this channel. You won't be disappointed if you are using a Samsung phone. So bye. Have a great day. Take care.